Red. Yes.
Homeostasis is all about balance, harmony, and connection, deeper connection with nature. Thank you.
Hi all. We just had the definition of homeostasis from our today's guest, Binod. And again, we have non-eligible participants here. No, he is eligible, but he is a nature cure practitioner, eligible in terms of the transition. He had a massive transition in the life. We'll hear the story from Vinod. And as you all know, that we have started this homeostasis journeys come the conference last year itself, where we had this big conference in Bikaner. We had a lot of panel discussion and workshops there on different topics of pure nature cure. Then yeah, so there were a lot of participants from the country and outside the country. We had lovely food. We had outside sessions. And 2020, Minu has taken over with initiative called Homeostasis Journeys. Over to you, Minu.
Yes. Hello, everybody. And I just want to explain to you what homeostasis journeys is all about. So here we are attempting to inquire where has the conviction come from in these people who have revamped their whole life, way of living, and they are trying to sync with nature. So we had covered the journey of Beenal. We had interviewed her first, and in the first episode. In the second episode, we had Nandini with us. Then Rohit was there from Pune, and Swati in the last episode. Swati, she's a nature cure practitioner. She had shared her journey, and today we have Vinod with us. Vinod is from Vellore, and at present he is a nature cure practitioner. So maybe let's hear from Vinod.
Yeah, guys, you guys can continue. I'll be available backstage and I'll rejoin at the end of the show. All the
Sure,
best.
Thank you,
sir.
Kalyan. Hi,
So
Minu.
Vinod, yes, hi Vinod. It's lovely to have you here today,
Yes, thank you, Minu.
online and
Yes,
live. So, and you were there with us last year also in homeostasis, the conference. So,
yes,
yeah, it was a great experience learning from you.
thank
So,
you.
if you can introduce yourself a little bit, Vinod.
Yes, myself, I am V.S. Vinod Kumar. I am from Vellore. It's a small town in Tamil Nadu. So I am a natural health practitioner and a holistic wellness coach. I'm an engineer by education. I was into startups for several years, but after 2014, I slowly started getting into this journey. So now I'm a full-time nature cure practitioner.
Yeah. So, Vinod, was there any trigger? Like, was there something that compelled you to this lifestyle of natural living, or
Yes.
like, please maybe start from the start?
So what I can say is, if you want me to answer about the trigger, yes, there was some trigger, but even before the trigger happened, like from my childhood, I had a like deeper connection with nature. I was looking for possibilities to reconnect to nature and expand my consciousness. And in 2014, for no reasons, I became sick. I was not able to find any reasons. Like I was a busy entrepreneur in Chennai, and then like suddenly, like I was in a bedridden state, and then I was exploring the what was happened to me and why it has happened, and then in the process, like I landed into nature cure. Before getting into nature cure, I spent 3 months into a conventional medicine system, which is allopathic system, where doctors prescribe me with 20 plus medications for lifetime. But after like exploring nature cure, like I learned nature cure from Dr. Arun Sharma in January 2015. That was my first camp. From then on, the journey was into a different direction. I restored my health in the next 2.5 years, and then I positioned myself as a full-time nature cure practitioner. Yes, thank you for
That's
the
a
question.
really inspiring journey, Vinod, that you have began begun actually. And so you can share what is so special about Nature Cure.
Nature Cure is completely special. Like I don't want, I'm not able to say like this is so special. Like there are everything is so special in Nature Cure. See, like after like I was into different kind of occupation. I'm a Nature Cure practitioner now. That is my occupation. But prior to this, I was into like startups. I was into business consulting. I was into technology consulting. I was into programming. I was into testing. But nothing inspired me like Nature Cure does now. So I feel like reconnecting. Like I have better connection with myself. I have better consciousness about myself and my life and every aspect of life, like relationships, occupation, finance. Like every perspective got changed after getting into Nature Cure. So initially, like while getting into Nature Cure, it was more about restoring my health, but now it is more about restoring my life. So Nature Cure is
This
very
is
special.
so fascinating the way you have put it, Vinod. So I think this leads to the next question that what do you think are the basic principles? Because then that is what we need to understand, right?
Yes, yes. So there are many like basic principle. Like according to Nature Cure books, there are many principles. But uh, for me, healthy choices creates health. Alignment alignment creates health. Harmony creates health. So that is what I believe. That is the basic principle of Nature Cure. When I align myself, when I develop harmony with myself and my life, and then when I can reconnect to nature, I become healthy. So that is what my understanding of Nature Cure is all about.
Awesome, Vinod. So, what are the different factors that you keep in mind when you are like in this lifestyle that you follow at present? Maybe
Mhm.
if you can share.
Yes, yes. Like every the first thing I look at it the awareness I have. Like I connect to my body and I connect to my mind, my thoughts, my emotions, like very often. So I just try to be like it. There is a very good like term called listening to the voice of the organism. Like it has been
Yeah.
shared by Kevin Hinton. So I that idea really fascinated me. Like I keep on listening to myself, what I'm feeling, why I'm feeling this, what I need in life. So like initially, like when getting into Nature Cure, it was more about what to eat, what to like, what how to use the five elements into the to improve the physical health. But now it is more about every choice I make. What is the thing I need? What are the things in life I needed? So, what is kind of relationship I'm into? What is the kind of occupation I'm into? What does my occupation tells me? What does my financial status tells me? So, it is a deeper connection towards life itself. So, like I consider all the factors, whatever is brought into my awareness, I just listen to those factors, and then I take conscious actions on those factors.
So, Vinod, like when you explained this, you
Mm,
also shared that you were not well before, and then you
mm,
shifted to Nature Cure lifestyle after you understood it from Dr. Arun Sharma.
yes,
So you must be facing discomforts even now.
yes.
So what do you do at that time then?
So whenever I have a discomfort, either physical or any kind of discomfort, the first thing I do is I observe, I start observing myself. I start observing my life, like things around me, the environment, the people around me, the kind of like occupation, the kind of work I'm into. So I start observing everything which has happened like 2 days before or on the present day. So that observation gives me lots of insights. What has happened? Why this has happened. So the first thing I do is I try and remove all the triggers, like all the triggers which is creating the discomfort. The second thing I do is conscious rest. When I say conscious rest, I physically rest, I lie down and rest, and then physiologically I rest by consuming foods which are easier to digest, fruits, tender coconut, and whatever I feel like, any subtle foods. And so sometimes I go into fasting. And next is I give enough time and space. I will not get into a panic mode. I will not try to restore it in a given point in time. I will not try to keep a like timeline for the healing process to happen. Instead, I keep observing myself and then start providing all the requirements the body is requiring. It's more
So I
about
hear you are connecting discomfort with healing process. So you think discomfort is a healing process.
exactly. Uh, so that is what
Oh,
the discomforts are nothing but it's like a prescription from the body, the exact
yes.
prescription for the healing to happen. So when we start
Mhm.
listening to the discomforts and then get more insights about it, like and start providing the requirements for the body, mind, and the vitality, the body comes to the homeostasis, comes to harmony, comes to balance. So the discomforts are the real prescriptions, which has been, which cannot fail.
Yeah, so now as a nature cure practitioner, Vinod, what do you think is infection?
So there are lots of insights, like lots of thought process about infections around the world, especially in the COVID situation. So generally, the whole world or every medical like healing modality consider germ theory as the authority, but nature cure has a different perspective. Nature cure practitioners practice based on something called terrain theory, where the germs are only scavengers of the terrain. Like when we have all the material, all the the ecosystem for the organisms, the organisms sustain and then nourish itself. When there is no terrain, the organisms cannot sustain. So nature, what we do is we try to remove the terrain, the unhealthy terrain, the toxic material in the body. By removing the terrain, we create unfavorable conditions to the organisms. And when then the organisms have no way to sustain in the body, then there is no infection. So we have a
That's
different
a
understanding of.
very valuable sharing, Vinod. Thank you so much for the germ theory and the terrain theory. I think
Yes.
terrain theory is also called the cellular theory.
I don't know about that, but yes, I haven't
Yes.
did deep research in terrain theory, but this basic understanding really helps me to restore my health. I never did many things.
Great, very valuable, Vinod, this one. So also we hear in nature cure that immunity is a superstition. So as a practitioner, do you agree with this also?
No, see, I don't want to question I don't want to hold on to this practitioner nature, hold on to myself as a nature care practitioner, but instead, by being compassionate, what I understand is there are different levels of truth. People see the same thing as different with different viewpoints, and then they understand it differently. Many people understand, believe that there is an immune system, but nature care practitioners believe there is only one thing, which is called self-healing mechanism, which has been driven by vitality. So immunity is a part, might be like they might be understanding the self-healing mechanism as immunity. Maybe their understanding might be wrong or right. I don't want to comment on that. But the self-healing mechanism is a complete system which can help us to come back to homeostasis, come back to balance at any given point in time. Whatever be the reasons, like either if you have a injury or if you have infection, the self-healing mechanism is good enough to restore the body to come is good enough to help us to come back to homeostasis. So self-healing mechanism is what we perceive and then practice.
So, Vinod, also, what do you think about why has mankind missed something like nature cure, which is very simple to understand also? And all the nature cure practitioners I have spoken to, I think it makes a lot of sense. But people somehow are not able to get to this basic thing. So, can you throw some light on this because you come across
I
with
think
so many people?
yes. I think it is because it is so simple. It is basic. I think these are the two. You already gave the answers. People are not see. This is not priced. This is not premiumly priced, and people don't have enough attention towards nature cure and like the basic sciences. Like the sunlight is basic, and we like all of us can easily go to the terrace and then take sunlight and then get all the nutrients from it. But people are very used to invest in lots of supplements, vitamin D supplements and other things, right? So people don't value simpler things. People don't value basic things. They always the mind has it has contaminated to an extent where they understand only complicated things. If something is explained in a complicated way or put in a complicated way, then only people's mind are able to declutter it and then learn from it. But if something is so simple like nature cure, then they don't see a value in it. They don't practice it.
And Vinod, you have a place called Vagai Wellness where you are conducting the nature cure workshops, etc. So, tell us what is the meaning of Vagai? It is in your language, it looks like. And
It is not a language. It is
what?
the name of the flower. It is the name of the flower. So from
Oh,
childhood, I have been attracted to this flower. It is a very beautiful flower. I don't have the
Okay.
picture to show it to you. Maybe sometime later I'll do it. So
Okay.
when I wanted to start my start this practice, the first thing which came to my mind was this flower. So I just named it as
Oh,
Vagai Wellness without much reasoning. And what I do in Vagai Wellness is the first thing I do is I conduct camps. I conduct nature cure camps. I educate people about the philosophy and practice of nature cure. Like the second thing I do is I host lifestyle transformation program, a 21-day lifestyle transformation program, which is called Align with Nature. Like I handhold people, I help people to learn these practices, adapt to it for a certain period of time, 21 days. And then after the program, I also provide support for lifetime. So that
That's
is the second thing I
interesting.
do.
Really
And
interesting.
yes, what else I do is if you want one thing I created new is I learned this nature care philosophy, and then I started adapting the same philosophy into different dimensions of life, the
Okay.
relationship, occupation, finance, and every other dimension of life. And then it is really like so inspiring. The same philosophy which can be applied in every aspect of life. So it really brought me a lot of clarity about life. And then I practice something called holistic wellness, where I integrate all these principles, and then I create a larger mentoring program, which is starts from 1 month to 1 year. I mentor people from minimum they need to commit for 1 month, and maximum I handle them to up to 1 year. So I help them to improve every aspect of their life, align themselves in every aspect of their life based on the
This is
principles and
really
practices.
remarkable what you have shared, Vinod, and I'm very, inspired with the way you have connected all the dots, the different aspects of life through nature cure. That sounds really interesting and amazing, amazing. So,
Thank you, Vinod.
Vinod, uh, how has nature cure affected in other walks of your own life? Like I
Mhm.
see, we understood that you have changed your occupation also after you understood this, and
Yes, yes.
your lifestyle, of course, you
Mhm.
are trying to sync with nature.
Yes.
So, what? How can you compare the earlier Vinod with the present Vinod?
Earlier, Vinod was a completely different Vinod. He was absolutely unconscious. He was into so many things at any given point in time. He was running behind so many things, running behind occupation, running behind entrepreneurship, running behind money, and running behind wealth and many things. But now Vinod is more aligned. Vinod is more like Vinod is into a state of harmony with every aspect of life. It not only the initially it was like the idea was to restore the physical health, but it got expanded on its own. It got expanded to mental health. It got expanded to emotional health. I know what are the choices I need to make in life. I exactly know what are the things I need to do in my life. I exactly know how to connect to a person, like try to have a better relationship. I exactly know what is the kind of occupation I need to do, what is the how much I need to do, when I should stop. So all those information are being guided from the inner guidance. I start getting the inner guidance after aligning myself to nature. So I think it is like I myself feel so inspiring to the idea of nature cure, because the more I learn the basic things, simpler things, it expands my consciousness in great ways.
This is such a worthy sharing, Vinod. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And
much, Manu.
Kalyan sir is also here with us.
Thank you, Kalyan.
excellent. Excellent, Vinod. I loved your explanation of immunity and infection both. The simple words of explanation of these things, it's a current need of the world, it seems. So
Thank you.
it's not with a fighting, challenging fraternities, but a simple, clear-cut explanation. Thanks a lot for bringing this on.
Thank you, Kalyan. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thanks for making time to for this show.
Thank you.
Great, guys.
Yes.
So
From
we'll
Vinod,
continue.
sir, we understood from Vinod that nature cure works always in all the ways.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Right, guys. So after this show, we have another show at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock we have. Okay, before about that show, would you like to announce about the next homeostasis journeys
Yes. So
episode?
yes, the next journey will be with Vikrant Patil. It is on Friday, the 7th of August at the same time, 3:30 p.m. So we will see you live that day on Friday.
Yeah, and I was talking about this show. We'll be having, starting today, we'll be having a series of 7 sessions on ABC of Pure Nature Cure, PNC. So today is the day 1, what and why of PNC. So I appeal all the viewers to join this session also. We'll have multiple panelists also in this to question on the proposal of PNC. So that will be very interesting discussion. So
Yes.
yeah, and right. So and those who wish to dive deeper into PNC, they can join our workshop. These are the coordinates. Like, you can WhatsApp. You'll get automated message with links to join the workshops. So you are welcome to join this also.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vinod.
Yeah, there are few messages from Facebook. Let me show them off before concluding. Pinky was talking about the conditioning when Vinod was talking about the conditioning. Yeah, Soparna was there.
Yes.
Vinal, question to Vinod. Yeah, there is a
Mhm.
question. Vinod is there still.
Vinod has a question.
How do you apply nature cure principles to finance? Vinod, over to you.
The first thing is having consciousness about what you need in life. So many people talk about financial freedom, and what they talk about is they fix up a time, amount, right? They always think about a sum of money to achieve financial freedom. But I'm financially free now, but I don't have any reserved amount in my account, because I receive lots of gifts from different kind of people. Like I most 95% of my services are offered in the spirit of giftivism. So people pay me from their heart. They will not only pay the money, they will also like this chair, the chair I'm sitting is being gifted by one of my client. This earphone is gifted by from one of my one of the other different kind. So I start receiving lots of gifts from people. Today also I received a cloth diaper for my daughter. I wanted to invest in cloth diaper, which cost around 2,500 rupees, but one of my clients like gifted it. So, like in that way, I feel so financially free. The only thing is, what we need to have is we need to have a right intention. We need to have clear understanding of what we need in life, and then we need to focus in that direction. Like all these numbers, the price tags, we can keep it away, and then let us focus. So this I like the same thing I did it to heal my physical condition. I started having the clear intention about what I needed to restore myself physically. Then I got a lot of clarity. I got a lot of inner guidance, which has really helped me to move in that particular direction without having any insecurities about other aspects of life, occupation, finance, relation. I never had any insecurity when I was in this journey of restoring my physical health. The same philosophy I'm applying it here, without having any insecurities and fears. I'm just moving in this direction with the intention and with the clarity, and which is helping me to be stay financially. Hope it helped.
Thank you. Thank you. There is Narsinga Rao. Uh, Excellent session. Thank you, Kantos Garu. I think Narsinga Rao is known to Vinod, right?
Yes. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Rohit was also watching and is still watching. Thank
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you for joining.
Vinal's message again.
Thank
Love
you,
your
Vinod.
sharing. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you,
lot,
Kalan.
Vinod.
Thanks for the
Bye,
opportunity.
everybody.
Thank you,
Bye.
Vinod.
Bye, bye,
Bye.
guys. Bye.
Bye.